Hi viewers, welcome back to the Healthy Friends. Neuropathy is a term used to describe several conditions that affect the nerves and can cause irritating and painful symptoms. Neuropathy is a particularly common complication of diabetes and a side effect of chemotherapy. Conventional treatments are available for neuropathy. However, research is underway to investigate the use of supplements. You may find these supplements preferable to other treatment options since they have fewer side effects. They may also benefit your health and well-being in other ways. Herbs and supplements can interfere with each other, and with any medications you're taking. They're not meant to replace any treatment plan approved by your doctor. Number 1. Fish oil for neuropathy. Fish oil is useful in treating neuropathy due to its anti-inflammatory effects and its ability to repair damaged nerves. It also helps to relieve muscle soreness and pain. It's available in supplement form. You can take 2,400 to 5,400 milligrams per day. The omega-3 fatty acids found in fish oil are also found in these foods: salmon, walnuts, sardines, canola oil, chia seeds, flax seeds, mackerel, cod liver oil, herring, oysters, anchovies, caviar, soybeans. A 2017 review examined the potential for fish oil as a treatment for diabetic peripheral neuropathy. Studies have shown that fish oil can slow progression and reverse diabetic neuropathy. Number 2. Acetyl-L-carnitine for neuropathy. Acetyl-L-carnitine is an amino acid and antioxidant. It may raise energy levels, create healthy nerve cells, and reduce pain in people with neuropathy. You can take it as a supplement. A typical dosage is 500 milligrams twice per day. Food sources of acetyl-L-carnitine include meat, fish, poultry, dairy products. Number 3. Alpha-lipoic acid for neuropathy. Alpha-lipoic acid is an antioxidant that may be useful in treating neuropathy caused by diabetes or cancer treatment. A 2021 study trusted source says it may lower blood sugar levels, improve nerve function, and relieve uncomfortable symptoms in the legs and arms such as pain, itching, tingling, prickling, numbness and burning. It can be taken in supplement form or administered intravenously. You may take 600 to 1,200 milligrams per day in capsule form. Number 4. B vitamins for neuropathy. B vitamins are useful in treating neuropathy since they support healthy nervous system function. Peripheral neuropathy is sometimes caused by a vitamin B deficiency. Supplementation should include vitamin B1, B6, and B12. You may choose to take these separately instead of as a B complex. Benfotiamine is like vitamin B1, which is also known as thiamine. It's thought to lower pain and inflammation levels and prevent cellular damage. A deficiency in vitamin B12 is one cause of peripheral neuropathy. Without treatment, it can cause permanent nerve damage. Number 5. N-acetylcysteine or NAC for neuropathy. NAC is a form of cysteine. It's an antioxidant and amino acid. Its many medicinal uses include treating neuropathic pain and reducing inflammation. NAC isn't found naturally in foods, but cysteine is in most high-protein foods. You can take it as a supplement in amounts of 1,200 milligrams once or twice per day. Results of a 2010 animal study trusted source showed that NAC may be useful in treating diabetic neuropathy. It reduced neuropathic pain and improved motor coordination. Its antioxidant properties improved nerve damage from oxidative stress and apoptosis, or cell death. Number 6. Curcumin for neuropathy. Curcumin is a compound found in the herb turmeric, known for its anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and pain-relieving properties. It may help to relieve numbness and tingling in your hands and feet. Curcumin is available in supplement form, or you can take 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder with 1/4 teaspoon fresh ground pepper 3 times per day. You can also use fresh or powdered turmeric to make tea. You can add it to foods such as curries, egg salads, and yogurt smoothies. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe. If you found this video helpful, please share this video on your social media sites, such as Facebook, Google, or Twitter, so more people can see it.